5,000 liter for 1 hour. Small machine for cleaning water pool. Mesh 18 microns. It's automatical system to him and pump. This place for pipe come for dirty water connect inside, or we can do more bigger if you need. Now 40 milli and two pipe 60 milli. This water cleaning oriented outside. This one and this place second we connect. Yes. This box with motor reductor. If you want open, very easy. By hand you can open here. Yeah, like this. And open. This 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, no need to use tools, just by hand. And come back, easy. Yes. This nozzle for clean mesh. This is connected pump and he clean automatically. All systems does not have timer. We use sensor.